Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how much does Wix cost. So if you want to use the Wix Premium, how much does it cost? I'm gonna talking about this right now. All you have to just go here and write Wix pricing plan. Just Google it and you'll find here the first option, Wix pricing information. Click on this. After clicking on this, you can see here the pricing plan. Here the custom domain, no Wix branding, and 24/7 care. You can see the business elite, which is $159 per month, and here is business $36 per month, and here is core option, which is 30 or $29 per month. Here is light option, which is $17 per month. Each planning has different features and facilities. You can do it according to your need. Okay, so guys, this is how what Wix cost. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.